Listen to that. Silence. So we're going to do the PlayStation test via component. I don't see that junk on the screen before the logo shows up anymore. Look better with the light on or the light off? Doesn't look too bad. It's not ideal though. It needs to be played on a standard definition display. I didn't notice any lag. Same with the Samsung Dynaflat I used to have, HD 2001. Looks kind of green. Once I quit the race, we'll go to the phone, see how it really looks. Doesn't sound good. Colors look good. You really see the limitations of the game. See all those patterns in the sky? I don't know what that's all about. Oops, not paying attention. Maybe this car's white. I thought it was silver. Looked kind of greenish. Can't find a whole lot of info on this set. The resolution is either 1366 by 768 or 1080. I always hook it up to my computer and find out. Once I get bored, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get rid of the jail bars on the TV this one's sitting on. It's allegedly a capacitor by the flyback transformer, but I doubt it. We'll find out later. Anyway, let's do some close-ups. See the chunkiness of it, I guess you could say. It's really low res. Let's switch to the phone. I don't know what these patterns are you see. Looks good for what it is, but black levels aren't that great, as you'd expect. It's the end already. Ooh. It's kind of shimmery. Stupid autofocus flipping out. Yeah, I don't like it, but it's playable. Audio is really compressed. So the audio gets a fail, but to be fair, it has an audio output, so you can connect it to your stereo or better speakers.
Just take you out of it. Right, who wants to make a deal?
How about bonus channel surfing?
It's infuriating. And to her, but the rest of us, we just want to cash out.
Factory settings by input.
But now that Ronnie's dead, I guess.
You
That
bet.
really depends on
Nice.
Stan.
It's a shame this guy Craig Curtis was at work last night.
That motion clarity's pretty bad.
Otherwise, he'd be perfect for this. Oh, here they are, Lieutenant.
Huh, weird.
She invited me over to watch beaches.
That's not
I
fitting the screen.
appreciate what you're trying.
Man, that's what you're driving with. AARP members 50,
Problems
See the
feel
limitations
bigger
of
than
it.
they are. And when life feels chaotic, you must.
What were you gonna say, Lotta?
Okay.
And wireless remote. Call now.
You're watching.
No.
You can tell it's blue because the bread turns.
The bread is
color,
turning blue.
right.
The batter, yes, from those whole fresh blueberries.
Right.
And then
Showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s.
Yeah, but you can't do that.
rule if I overdo the browse. What I love about this
You can
is
watch
it
TV on CR2s, and now the motion clarity on here is kind of meh.
Para cuidar su salud, para la vida con mascotas. Darnell, hold on a minute, will you?
See all the blocky artifacts and junk around the edges.
I don't read that paper.
The Ranger, my dad had one like that. The red one in the background, but it's dark blue. It's a 91. Really slow tuner.
Work, groceries, appointments, life doesn't.
Go back, damn it. It's really pixelated.
Most of us deal with this.
fan. They want to like be at all the shows. Yeah.
Like,
You look so nice in this. Oh, and you can still see plenty of smoke in that smoke tracker that takes us into the end of the week. Now, I want to get through some of these fires. Now, this one interesting. The Santa Rosa.
50% and call.
It's one of these shopping channels that only has audio. I don't think that should be a thing. That looks pretty good.
And the payment came so fast.
Contact lens.
Don't worry, it's all taken care of.
But 50,000.
It's plasticky. This is 480 widescreen.
Rebecca Briggs was cleaned out, all right.
He's not using me. He needs me. Appreciates
That
what I
doesn't
have
fit
to
the
offer.
screen.
Even if it's
Podría ser mortal.
Basically, the only channel I watch is in 1080p. Or I, whatever.
Has to mean something.
Might have something.
It's an info. 3 charge channels. I don't know why. They're all playing the same thing though.
This is a paid advertisement.
which is the Medicare program that includes
Nothing but crap.
The agony.
Medicare this. Shopping that. It looks pretty good. That's in 1080. So yeah, it looks good. Minimize.
I'm gonna be here for you.
forward, experts speculate. This is unbelievable.
For only $49.95.
It doesn't fit.
For so many.
Huh.
Told Noah it makes.
He's recovering.
Ion, it's 720p.
That your daughter.
Looks a little bit stretched. Tiny bit, it's fine now. Ion always gets bad signal. This one usually does too.
Visit AmericanCruiseLines.com. American Cruise Lines.
American Lag Fest.
Airbag for alert. I'm out.
Shut up. Busted. It's 4x3, but they put their logo on it and make it widescreen.
Any more information from this?
I read bad and I'm good.
Show.
Extracts have been
That sounds awful.
to be what?
Yeah.
Be of it. We should be the work.
Billion. That's the calling on this ministry. And we believe
These are in 720 and 1080.
Doing, and
The local ones like this, 1080. I think so.
You're gonna have to go everywhere.
That's like really bad. Look at that motion clarity. It's like choppy.
Hang on, Spons. I'm not talking
Actually, it's not. It's just choppy. That's what it is. Looks terrible.
with the pickup truck.
I mean, it's watchable, but it's really jerky. This one's in super wide. I don't know why. Seat's all stretched out. Oh, they're in Texas. Just like me. Something weird about that license plate, though. 2004 or so. Nosy.
With the gray shirt in the front, why you have chosen shampoo when you can have a little.
I'm super excited for Gracie Abrams. She just released the new song on Friday. It is
Can't wait to miss that, like my dad always said.
7928.
All year during the Consumer Cellular Summer
Fandango at home promo code and enjoy fit.
That's bullshit. It's a local channel. Oh, that's it.